Hey, my name is Prime. I'm the founder and CEO of Melanin Coaster Network. We're about to take on Top Thrill 2. We're at Cedar Point for Media Day. Thank you to Cedar Point. Thank you to Tony Clark for making this dream a reality, for making all this happen. We finna experience Top Thrill 2 for the first time. Monique, you ready? I got my team member. Got my team member, Monique Jones, the recruiter for MCN.
Oh my God, it's about to go down. Here we go, y'all.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Oh! Let's go!
Let's go, baby! Oh!
Let's go!
Oh, it's so good! Oh, that's so good! Oh, we finna go backwards. Oh, a little floater airtime. Floater airtime going up the spike. Oh my God! Oh, 100 miles per hour. Here we go. Oh my God! Oh! 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 Airtime! It's so good! It's amazing! Oh! We're going forward! Oh my God! 120 miles per hour! Oh! Oh! We're at the top hat! We can see Ohio from up here! It's amazing! Oh! Oh my God!
Oh, that's amazing!
That is amazing.
Oh,
Hey,
that
butter
was
smooth.
amazing!
Oh man. Yeah, butter smooth. Butter smooth.
Oh,
That is so good.
that was amazing!
That was amazing.
Ooh,
Oh man.
exhilarating!
You have to get out to Cedar Point and ride the new Top Thrill 2
Oh,
triple launch Strata coaster, Cedar Point. You have to get out here. Let's go, baby. Yeah, let's go. That was awesome. That was awesome. Oh man. That is incredible.
oh,
That is incredible.
that was incredible!